Hello, Rick Bell here with the Cincinnati Watch Company. I'm here with my P-40M Mechanical, and we're going to talk a little bit with David O'Malley, the museum president. So David, this P-40M is a real special plane, winning the Kosh 2016 Grand Champion. Could you tell me a little bit about what makes this plane special and what went into it?
Sure. So one of the really things that sets this airplane apart from a lot of World War II fighter restorations is kind of how far we went in committing to accuracy. So if you take a look in the aft section of the fuselage here, you get a really good example of things that aren't necessary to have a flying safe P-40 restoration, but tell the story of what this airplane is. So we were committed to making it fully original. So as you can see, there's working World War II radios. All the wiring is period correct. All the jacketing on the wire has the appropriate pattern for the wire's functionality. The tie spacing on all the wires is accurate. Each wire is individually labeled and numbered exactly as the blueprints call for it. In World War II, we were protective of our technology, so we actually have the detonation system for the radios. So if the airplane was shot down, the pilot could detonate the radios so that enemy personnel couldn't recover them and determine information or technology from them. So that actually functions. The gun solenoid.
Which button do I press?
I'm not going to tell you. But the gun solenoids click when you pull the trigger. The guns are replicas for a variety of reasons, but the gun camera cycles when you pull the trigger on the gun. All of the placarding is slip transfer decals instead of vinyl paint masks like a lot of restorations. We just went to every effort where possible to make the aircraft as accurate to the blueprints and the design from Curtiss-Wright in the 40s as we possibly could.
Thank you for joining us on this informal tour of the museum. We wanted to share with you the great things that are going on here and what the purchase of the P-40 watch is doing for the Cincinnati community in this wonderful museum. Thank you.